is gonna be sick. It's drift day.
What is up, everyone? So today is the second track day with Nasana. We tried it for the very first time. What was it, 2 weeks ago, Brian? Was that 2 weeks ago?
Probably.
And it did absolutely amazing. If you didn't see the video, go watch it. What we've changed since then, literally haven't touched it, but I upped the boost and now it makes about 50 more horsepower. So that should be quite the change.
50 more horse on this old girl. You wanna do the trick today?
Should do the trick. So last time, it was pretty low on power, but it was enough to make it work, and now I'm excited to have a little bit of room to really let it eat. So, we're all drifting today. Brian, Josh, me, and LZ, I guess, is hidden over there somewhere.
Really?
All the way up from Florida.
Mr. Mustachio himself. All right. Oh shit, which one do you think's Adam's trailer?
I don't know. Huh. All right, well, LZ isn't here yet. We'll see him in a little bit. So you guys can see the GoPro footage. We don't need it. Ah, there we go. Don't lose this. That looks so weird without it.
Can we drift 4 people in this?
I'm gonna say
Wow, this is like surprisingly comfortable.
Can we drift 4 people in this?
I have so much room back here. Look at all this leg room. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh
my god.
This is a long car. We've figured that out, you know.
This is a luxury car.
Can we drift 4 people? What's up, buddy?
How are you?
Mask off.
RJ.
Mike!
I missed you.
I missed you. I missed you so much.
Oh yeah, the valve cover protected. Oh, A-Class is up. The track is quiet, so I'm gonna take the Civic out real quick, feel her out, see how she does, do a quick shakedown, make sure everything is good, just in case something happens, we have some time to fix it. And yeah, I'm excited and
I'm excited.
Nervous, and well, let's see how it behaves on 10 PSI.
All right.
I don't know what the deal is. I'm gonna hope that I'm just low on gas.
There you go.
It's been a while, right?
You haven't filled up since last event.
On the motor, it would still have gas in it. Way more fuel efficient.
This is already. This thing does actually pretty well.
It's a truck motor, but
And what do trucks have? Torque.
Hopefully this fixes it. It's never that easy, is it?
Well, this actually happened last time too, if you remember.
So good.
You need sunscreen. Oh boy.
Link the uphill?
Yeah.
How cool is that?
I thought you were gonna manji that and link the whole thing.
Okay, so it gets a little hairy. It's like when I like initiate, like faint, or like when I manji, the car still wants to break up a little bit. Whatever, maybe it just grips up and makes more moves. I gotta check the logs, but dude, it makes like the perfect amount of power now. Like enough that like that I can mess up a little bit and still kind of power through it, and I can really rage to the track, but not so much that like the car drives for me, you know what I mean? You know, the car is getting hot, which makes sense because it's like 95 degrees out, and we really need to figure out some hood venting, but I
think you should just take it off.
I'm gonna take a little break, hydrate, and go back out. so finally could check the logs, and as we could see, it's getting really hot really fast, and it's pulling a lot of power, which then obviously makes it hard to drive. So I think for today, as like a quick fix, I'm just gonna pull the hood off and worry about that later on. Alright, so it's breaking up, being a pain in the ass. I don't know what the deal is now. Everything checks out to be fine, but I'm gonna do plugs really quick, cross my fingers, because I mean, that's really all I can do right now. So, hopefully. What do you think, Pat?
Exactly.
Just so you guys can hear it for yourself.
You hear it hesitating?
And under load, it only gets worse, so looks like this Honda's done for today. All right, she's on the trailer. We put this car together and have had no issues so far, so if this is our one issue, I can live with that. All right, so I know it's not as much of a flop as a rear-wheel drive Civic, but my good friend has a rear-wheel drive GC. And it has an H6 in it, I think that's the Subaru motor. And he's gonna let me drive it, and I'm super excited to see how this thing feels.
It's a beautiful car too.
Hopefully I don't wreck it. All right, give me the rundown.
So it's a H6 6-speed.
It's a 6-speed.
Yeah.
What did we drift in, second or third?
On the straight, you're gonna be hitting fourth.
What the hell? So I'm gonna keep it in third on the drift?
Yeah, you're gonna downshift to third as soon as you get the momentum in.
Okay.
As soon as you start counter steering, shove it in third.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a wild ride, man. Have fun. Definitely fun.
Oh my God, this clutch is ridiculous. Ooh, it feels good though. This thing's so sick. I've never drifted a Subaru before. This has to be the coolest Subaru I've ever been inside. Look at this like little JDM hood scoop thing. I literally thought this car had air conditioning, but it's literally just a vent. I don't think it's gonna be easy.
From the outside?
What's that?
Is it weird seeing your own car from the outside?
100%.
Yeah.
It is really weird to see in a present drift. Like,
Definitely is.
being in it is like one thing, but when you're out of it, it's like,
Yeah.
whoa.
I feel that way with the Civic. Every time I see you here in that thing, it always confuses me.
Yeah.
Every time.
And people always ask if it's all-wheel drive. I don't know, I need to make 1,000 horsepower.
Your car is hot though. It's a real thing.
This is way too good of a drift car.
You like it? You looked real good out there.
Doesn't make any sense.
You had looked like you had no issue with that whatsoever.
Dude, I want to keep going. This
How is that one?
I
With
like
that,
it.
like
I
that,
almost
the low
kinda
one?
like it. I like it a lot more than I thought.
Yeah?
This is amazing.
It's not bad.
I love this thing. I get to go again. Okay, this This angle is a little weird because you can't really see much, but you'll get the idea of it. But he's letting me take it out again, which is really awesome. I didn't think I'd ever be drifting a Subaru that isn't at least a BRZ. Oh, I missed third. Damn it. This car feels so normal to me. This thing.
Garrett, is it just me or does he look way too natural in that car?
Why is it so good?
It's so natural looking. All right, GC8 coming next. GC8
That's what's
coming
next.
soon.
Watch.
I want it. I really want this thing. Well, this was a great way to end the night. My car broke, but I have awesome friends and they let me rip their car for a little while and I couldn't be more grateful. This is amazing. Honestly, it's been really fun, like trying a bunch of different cars and just seeing how they all, you know, behave and seeing like what might make it behave like that, and I couldn't be happier.
You look unnaturally natural in this car.
Dude, it feels good, right?
It's
Every lap I got better.
Yeah.
Like,
I watched you link the whole thing. I saw you mind you that real quick and put it back in. That was so
having trouble with
sick.
the shifting. I'm like, but then the last one I got the shift and I was like,
Oh my god, you looked so good in this thing.
dude, I was saying I feel guilty. Like I was like, I shouldn't be having so much fun in another man's car. You have an amazing end to the day because this made it.
Now it just gave you a possible new idea for where you want to go, huh?
Can I build another drift car? Can you guys let me do that? I love this so much.
Who cares? That's what this is about.
That's it. Look at this. It looks.
Wow.
This is He said it was a junkyard motor, and I'll tell you like.
It looks like it.
It looks like it. Look at the clearance on this thing.
It looks like a normal boxer motor.
It fits. It looks like it's like base shaped.
If it fits, it ships. I love this filter on the back.
This looks simple. See, I feel like the hardest part about this swap is finding a clean GC chassis. Right?
That's definitely the hardest part.
Everything else is just right. A couple bolts, a couple 2, 3.
This is totally possible.
Can I make one, guys? Will you let me?
This? Oh yeah, I don't think everybody would be okay with this.
What's up, Mr. Hot Lap?
Stop it!
Dude,
I was not hot lapping. I was.
You had to do 100 laps today.
Okay, I did a lot of laps, but I gave it the right amount of time. Actually, okay.
If you want to see that footage, honestly, LZ probably got all of it because he was standing with you all day.
I'm sure LZ has some footage, but yeah, I was trying to crash my car all day long.
I kid you.
Didn't happen once.
Nice work.
Thanks.
Until next time.
Civic didn't. Oh, I need to get. It's so loud over here, but so the Civic didn't perform. It's whatever. It's still a fresh build. Shit happens. So be it. But today was an amazing day. It's awesome having everyone out. Finally back again, drifting, driving, seeing all my friends, just having a great time. I got to drive a freaking rear-wheel drive Subaru, and I hate how much I loved it, and I need to shut up about it. But it's cool just having all the homies out here. Just, man, I wish I could just like share the vibes better through camera because it is just amazing. But it is. I need to shut up, but I need to end the video because I'm just rambling on. So we saw the Civic. It made like 10 psi at the rip, and it felt amazing. It wasn't very consistent today. It was super inconsistent, but the laps that it did make full power, the car felt amazing. So I definitely have something to look forward to for next time, and you know, it's only uphill from here. So with that, you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and we'll probably see you guys tomorrow.